Good morning, everyone. In this class, we will study Chapter 3 Subtraction, subtopic revision of subtraction with regrouping. So, in this class, we will do revision of subtraction with regrouping. So, let's start with this question. So, what is written over here? Find the difference between 6,43,307 and 6,04,207. So what we need to do in this question, first we need to write the number first because it is written in word form. So we will write the word form into numbers form. So what is written over here? 6 lakh. 6 lakh means at lakhs place we need to write 6. Then it after this it is written 43 means 43,000. So at thousands place we can write 43 means 43. After 43,000 it is written 300. So at hundreds place we will write 3. 7. So that means it is given 0 should be written at tens place. Why? Because here we can see. So we can see here it is written after 307. So that means there is no tens here. So in place of tens we have to write 0. Or in place of ones we have to write 7. So this is how we can change the word form into numbers form. Now we will see the next number. At next number we can see it is written 6,04,207. That means 6 lakh. So this number also goes to lakhs place. 6 lakh, that means we have to write at lakhs place. In second number we have to write 6 in lakhs place. After it is written 4,000, that means there is no 10,000s here. No 10,000s here, so we can write 0 in place of 10,000s. After this we can see 4,000, so at thousands place we will write 4. After 4,200, 200, that means at hundreds place we will write 2. And then 7, that means at place we will write 0 and at ones place we will write 7. Okay, so now start subtracting these two numbers because we need to find here the difference. So how we can do this? Start from ones place. At ones place what we have 7 and 7. 7 minus 7 is what? 0. At tens place we can see we have 0 and 0. So 0 minus 0 is what? 0. At hundreds place we can see 3 and next number we can see we have 2. So we need to take away 2 from 3. So just take away 2 from 3. If we take away 2 from 3, we always get 1. So we will write here 1. At thousands place, we can see we have 3 in first number and in second number we have 4. And we know it is written in first number, the digit is smaller. So whenever we see the digit smaller in first number, we always do what? Regrouping. So here we will take carry over from which place? We will take carry over from 4. So if we take carry over from 4, so we will write in in 10,000s place 3 instead of 4. Why instead of 4? Because we have already taken carry, 1 carry from 4. So if we take away 1 from 4, it left with 3. So we will write here 1 in thousands place, and after 1 we will write 3. Why 3? Because at 1000 we can see we have 3. So we will write here 13. So we will cut 3 here from here. Now take away 4 from 13. If we take away 4 from 13, then we are left with how many numbers? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just count these fingers. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write here 9. Okay. And at 10,000 place, we can see we have 3 and we have 0. So if we take away 0 from 3, then we are left with only 3. So we will write here 3. Now at lakhs place, we can see we have 6 and 6. So 6 minus 6 is what? 0. So number what we will get after subtraction from 6,43,000 6,43,307 and 6,04,207. What is the answer? Yes, answer is 39,100. Okay. Now we will see next question. So in next question we can see, yes. So in next question, we need to find the difference between 9,67,379 and 76,456. So first what we will do, we will write the numbers according to the place values. So here we can see this number is bigger. So we will write first the bigger number. 9,67,379, and we also write the place value of each digit. 9 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place, 3 is at hundreds place, 7 is at thousands place, 6 is at 10,000s place, 9 is at lakhs place. So after this, what we will do, we will just find the difference. We write the number, next number, that is 76,456. We know it is 76,000, so we cannot start from lakhs place. Here 7 is at what place? Lakh, thousand or 10,000 place. Yes, 7 is at 10,000 place. So we will write for 7. After 7 we will write 6, then 4, then 5, and then 6. Now start subtraction. For subtracting any two number, we have to start from ones place. At ones place, we can see we have 9 here and we have 6 here. Now just take away 6 from 9. 6 from 9, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers I have? 3. So I will write here 3. Okay. Now at tens place. At tens place, we can see we have 7 and 5. Now we need to take away 5 from 7. So 6 and 7, 2. So we will write here 2. At hundreds place, we can see first we have 3 and then we have 4. And 3 is smaller. 3 is smaller than 4. So we will take carry over. How we can take carry? Just take away 1 from 7. We will write here 1 and just cut this 7 and write 6 here, because if we have already taken carry 6, already taken carry 1, that means we are left here with 6 only. So in after 1, what we will write? We will write 3, because here at hundreds place we have 3. So we will cut this 3 and now take away 4 from 13. Take away 4 from 13. Yes, we are left with 9. How? 5. After 4 I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9, so we will write here 9. Now we can see at thousands place 6 and 6. So 6 minus 6 is what? 0. After 1000 we will go for 10,000 place. At 10,000 place we can see we have 6 first and then we have 7. If we have 6 first, so we know 6 is smaller than 7. So we take away carry from 9. If we take away 1 from 9, we will write here 1 and then we will write 6 after it. And just cut this 6. And here we are left with 8. So we will write here 8. Okay. So now take away 7 from 16. Take away 7 from 16. Yes. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now how many fingers I have? Counted? Yes, take your time. 9. So I will write here 9. And here at lakhs place we have only 8. So we will write here 8. So this is how we can find the difference of two numbers. Thank you.